Sir,
Sir,
so you are from Jajpur.
sir,
So tell something about the district.
sir, Jajpur is my home district, and before Cuttack being before Bhubaneswar, and in ancient time it was the capital of Odisha, and later it changed to Cuttack and then to Bhubaneswar, and it is famous for Biraja temple and other Buddhist styles. Sir, sir, can I take off the mask?
Yes. Okay. Then carry on. Present Jajpur.
Sir,
Present Jajpur. Jajpur are present.
sir. So Jajpur now, like most of the industrial hubs are in Jajpur, which is Kalinganagar, both the Tata Steels and other steel plants, and being the Shukinda, which is the chromite valley of Odisha and the world also, it is in Jajpur, and not more developed, more the people are agrarian. The economy is agrarian, and most people are involved in agriculture. So.
So you are also now in Paradip.
Yes, sir. I'm working with Indian Railways, and I'm posted
Tell
under.
about the importance of Paradip.
Sir, Parad,
Outside India.
Sir, Paradip is one of the major ports of India and is obviously included in Sagarmala project. Now, government has focused to increase the turnover wise, like metric ton turnover from Paradip. And most importantly, in Indian economy and obviously in Odisha economy, the coke, the pet cokes which are used in steel making process comes through Paradip, like from exports from Australia. And it is the only natural port in Odisha, and other ports are being developed like in Dhamra and other things. But the importance still is there of Paradip.
So the Indian Railway Minister.
Sir, Sri Ashwin Vaishnav is the railway minister who certainly hails from Odisha, sir.
And what is the new transformation in Indian Railway?
Sir, I will say the privatization of Indian Railways is now is very much important in India and Indian Railways that is happening now. 151 trains out of 2800 trains which has been privatized to implement the privatization process. That is a major step, I will say, sir. And infrastructural changes has been happening after the present government came into power. And one more thing is, sir, the railway networks. Now we are focusing on railway networks and high-speed trains. As you know, that bullet trains from Ahmedabad to Mumbai has been introduced by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Most delayed railway project in Odisha.
In Odisha,
Yeah. Delayed railway project.
sir, I don't know.
Not back, but not yet completed.
Sir, I don't know, but I can take a guess. Sir. I think, sir, the Nayagarh project, which has been stalled a lot of time ago. Is Nayagarh, Nayagarh, sir, Nayagarh. No idea, sir. Sorry, sir.
So what is about the national monetization scheme?
National monetization scheme.
Just declared recently by the government.
Sorry, sir.
Where railway is also part of that.
Sorry, sir.
Railway stations will be given on lease.
Yes, sir. I have heard about it.
Railway station, airport, coal mines.
Yes, sir. It is being strategically disinvested and privatized.
It is not privatized.
Sir,
Monetized.
sir, strategically monetized to increase the revenue and to increase the infrastructural facilities.
Sold to someone or given on lease.
So it will be on lease.
And what is the target of the government? Financial target?
Sir, I am not sure about the. Yes, but sir, Adani and other companies who are in like forefront of Indian economy are given a chance to bring more technology, more skilled manpower to improve the sector, sir.
When you started education, you thought to be an engineer. You made it to got to material engineering.
Sir, sir,
Why you have changed your mind to technical to non-technical?
sir, till 2014, when I passed mechanical, I didn't have an idea about civil service, and I always been wanted to be a mechanical engineer. After knowing from my senior who was there in my hostel, then I changed my mind. I think, sir, the vast opportunities and the other prospect, career prospect civil service provides is unmatchable with respect to other services, sir. I even tried for engineering service, and I always wanted to be automobile engineer, sir. But after coming to after knowing civil service, I thought that it can fulfill my dreams
You
of
won't
being.
get to after what you like.
Sir, I won't have any regret. I will definitely go back to my originals because now I am posted as in railways. I think I will continue that. And if I get chance in
Whenever
doing,
you are completely hit and drive. So
sir,
that time million,
sorry, sir.
you don't have food sincerely.
Sure, sir. What you are saying, I'm agreeing with it. That I know the possibility of chance are very low, and I will try my best, sir, to get into this service. If I want, then I will move on and I will take the.
Still we question not answered. What makes you motivated for technical to non-technical? To answer.
Sir, I think, sir, the opportunities and the respect a civil servant gets in the society.
You have an ego problem.
Okay, sorry, sir.
You got an ego problem because you want respect.
Uh,
I want respect.
no, sir.
You said.
Yes, sir, I said. But as a human being, as massless.
What he's saying, the question is, you must give a convincing answer.
Yes, sir.
It's not that respect, etc.
Yes, sir.
But the other side, what will be the other side of it? Some better promotion, everything better. But still, what it opens, provides to you that you don't get there.
Sure, sir.
That's how you do.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's not that I have not tried in mechanical field or engineering field. As I have mentioned in the DAF, I have worked with Hammelmann India, which is a subsidiary of Hammelmann Germany. I worked for 2 years there as a service engineer, sir.
Once a decided what you do, decided to go to Indian Railway Service.
Yes.
You have to open for it.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is what makes you completely lead to technical, total non-technical. Why you spend 4 years of time,
Yes, sir.
huge amount of money. Then after 7 years, you thought to see your two skills, why so much time you spent, so long.
No, sir. I already started my preparation 2016, sir, for civil service, but I couldn't succeed in that, and I then eventually got into railway service, and my father died in 2018, sir, and I had this responsibility of my family. Then I joined Indian Railways, and then I continued my preparation. And past year I didn't qualify main, and this year I'm qualified main. That's
Give
why.
me two plus points about the railway service, two negative side of railway service.
Sir, plus point is the job is very satisfaction. There is satisfaction in this job, being the national carrier of India, and which is called the bloodline of India. And I think one more is the responsibility that I carry, because I'm a guard. Then I manage the train fully from the destination to the destination from the initial point. That is two plus points. One, two negative points. I will say the job is against the nature. Sometimes I have to wake up even in the nights, whole night, and maybe you can stress for 20 hours, and which is very difficult, and it affects my health badly. I will say that is. And third is, sir, as Indian Railways, we have not improved our infrastructures. So for guard and other running staff, there is not much infrastructure, and it gets very difficult sometimes.
You see,
Sir.
one thing I will advise you, when using the English language,
sir,
very much focus on what are you using.
and sir, sorry,
Already spoke to, already give the employer, I am satisfied.
sir,
The question one word, change your answer to something else.
sir,
Suddenly satisfied. तो कुछ ही बोलो, if you want support, I am satisfied, sir. कुछ भी बोलो. After overall satisfaction.
sir.
Why did you choose as the first choice of the business service?
Odisha Finance Service, sir.
That is the first choice, no?
Sir,
Okay.
Sir.
What is your logic? Why do you want to join the first choice?
Sir, OS and OPS being the topmost civil service and where public interaction is very often and it needs more demands more time and more I always wanted to join the Indian civil service. So I thought being a class 1 service in OFS I can pursue that dream. That thing I actually.
I asked you because if you give a logic to answer to each question,
Sir.
that the civil service gives me more chances to help people, better challenges, and etc. etc.
Okay.
Then again they will ask me why I do not choose an OS.
Sir.
See,
Yes.
think of the answer.
Yes, sir.
You are now giving logic that I want to do there, so I want some more time. Don't want to go to this, so I want to be set in the OFS service. So
Sir.
OFS also, if you continue,
Yes.
there is a risk there.
Yes.
Now, we give a logic, but be convincing.
Yes, sir.
If you give a logic that, well, I am living everywhere, coming here for getting more challenge, doing etc.
Sir.
Then you say that why I am financial service, I don't want to go with also.
They are contradicting you.
So always think of that.
Sir, I don't know still now that what answer should I give, and I was about to ask you people. Sir.
No, that's what I could understand.
Sir.
I will discuss and give a.
I was asking sir that what I will do and what I have once given.
Because
No.
always telling everything in a very honest way,
Sir.
they put it together.
Sir.
You must have. When you are interested in I think geographical, no, I mean, about I was giving a bachelor, no?
Sir.
What was the Kalinganagar incident? That is Kalinganagar incident.
So actually, Kalinganagar incident happened when some people who are localites of that area tried to impede the development project by Tata Steels, and it turned out to be a disaster when the things got out of control.
No, that I am not in so in the such cases, for example, when the Hirakud Dam was built, even till that people who are affected,
Sir.
they are not fully
I've not got compensated.
there.
Yes, sir.
Would it be that the government apparently is responsible for the people disability in the government?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
If they have gone to newspaper,
Yes, sir. I have gone through the newspaper.
in Odisha there is something, some matters, Odisha has stood second.
Sir.
In some, not a good cut, bad something in communication.
Okay.
So what is that mean?
So I think child mortality were taking.
Also in the molestation cases.
Yes, sir. Molestation against the women, sir.
There.
Sir.
And how it was the Bihar case like one from Bombay has come out.
Sir.
Odisha is coming to this.
Sir.
Do you think where do we fail? I mean, the judicial failure or the police failure, or is it or social control? What is the responsibility for such sort of increase in incident?
Sir, I won't see it as a failure because in past some years we have drastically improved our child mortality rate, which was more than 50 2-3 years back, and now it came to 40. Then we are improving, sir, and the government's new schemes like Mamta scheme and other schemes which are more institutional deliveries and our focus on nutrition will definitely going to use it. And I think, sir, the 5T scheme that government have implemented in police stations and health institutions, I think that will help to more extent to minimize these numbers in future, sir, in like 1-2 years.
Gone to the paper today
Sir,
and the news yesterday.
sir,
As per the National Crime Record Bureau,
sir,
Odisha is the top second position
Yes,
in
sir.
crime against women.
yes, sir,
Is that news or the-
These are the news.
yes, sir, it was on news.
Yes.
So I think women's the women's crime against the women have increased multifold after our society got like patriarchal society is always was there, But in recent times, the things have gotten little bit worse because of the responsibility that people don't want to take. And the more the cases are there, we have to take that. We have to focus on the morality and the A part of the.
And I do think presently COVID and the other sector, after this COVID came in,
Sir.
there, even number of say, I mean the education system in rural areas,
Sir.
they have rural report.
Sir.
Even girls are getting married. Either they are being given married or they are getting married
Okay.
and living easy because of everything insecure.
Sir.
And to bring them, they have taken many children, they have taken juvenile, they have been telling them, they are taking through this.
Yes, sir.
So it's a very tricky situation where
Yes, sir.
who is responsible for the more increasing police cases, crime rate.
Yes, sir. So I think we have to take the situation into hand because the local authority who are there, like BDO is there and the Sarpanch and other officials who are at the grassroots level should have a vigil eye on these things like child marriage and other things who have been forcefully have getting married by their parents, and they should come forward to know that these things are not going to help. COVID situation is there, but government is providing compensation for the minor child whose parents is died in the COVID situation. Sir, yes, sir.
Under which Yojana?
Yes, sir. Annadata Yojana, I think, sir.
Ashirwad.
Ashirwad. Sorry,
And
sir.
yesterday, yesterday government decided to stop it. Due to lack of funds. Due to lack of funds. You go on updating, right?
Yes,
Things
sir.
are good, the communication is good.
Sir.
Government is doing quite good.
But you must
need some factual addition.
Yes,
don't be completely honest in answering at
Yes,
yes, to your students.
I'll definitely try.
Be tactful, discuss with her.
Sir.
I mean, your approach is okay, answering your voice, everything is okay.
Everything is fine. But,
So my gestures and postures is very stretched.
This is all. No comments. No problem.
Okay.
fine.
Thank you. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank
Oh, thank you.